Hey guys, so today I want to show you a super quick, super easy messy bun. I posted this on my Instagram and all of you guys were asking how I did it, and I do have a tutorial kind of like it. I'll link that series below. That's called my 5 messy buns. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do. But I'm going to go ahead and recreate that look that I posted on my Instagram. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys quickly how I put my hair extensions in just on my regular hair. I'm running out of like daylight, so I gotta hurry. So basically I section off like a little piece of hair in the middle of my head. So I have this little section, I have hair down all around it. Then I just take a hair tie and then I tie that off like these. See, hair all around it. And then I take my ratchet ass extensions. Mama needs new extensions. And then basically I just put it on top of that little ponytail and I put them all around it. So when we're putting our hair extensions on, we're doing it all around so we have hair covering this ponytail, so when we pull it all back, none of these clips are gonna show. So I will put them on the bottom too, going up. And honestly, I don't do a ton just because my hair is already kind of long, so I don't really need to do a lot. I just basically do it for thickness. So I'm going to put some at the top here, the rest at the bottom. And it's important to make sure that you're doing this all around the ponytail so that it looks nice and even. Then it should look something like this, hot ass mess, but you can see it blends nicely with my hair color, so you're honestly not going to be able to tell. So then I just take my hair and then smooth out any bumps. I'm not going to make it perfect. This is just to show you. And then I'm just going to take it and then put it into a ponytail. And then I like to just kind of pull my hair out to make sure that no clips are showing. And then that's it. Here's my beautiful ponytail. If you do have shorter hair than mine, it might be kind of obvious in your ponytail, so all you have to do is just curl your ponytail and it'll all blend and you won't be able to tell. So yeah, you can't see the clips or anything. Literally looks like my regular hair. I'll turn around so you can see. No clips. Just a pretty pony. So I know I get asked that a lot, so hopefully that helped you guys. Now let's go ahead and start our bun.
Alright, so you're going to gather your hair and then you're going to take a hair tie and pull your hair through once, and then the second time you're going to pull your hair through but not all the way, just halfway through, so you should have a little bun like this. Then you're going to stretch it, and then you're going to take what's left of your ponytail and then wrap it around the base of that bun. And then what we're going to do next is just bobby pin down each side of that bun. So I'm just going to kind of move that bun around a little bit, kind of pull it around, and then take my Meta Grip bobby pins from Sally Beauty and then just put them on each side. So then you should have something like this. So I'm just going to kind of move that bun around and just kind of stretch it out until I like it. And then I pull on the front of my hair always, just kind of give it that messier vibe. Since this is a messy bun, we don't want it like slicked back. And I pull out hair too. And then the hair that we wrapped around the base, I like to take that and then stretch it out. So this kind of, I feel like this gives it a much different look. I definitely recommend doing this. So once you do that, just kind of continue stretching out the bun how you like it. If you're worried about it falling out, then bobby pin it, hairspray it, do what you gotta do, you know?
And that's it, you guys. Isn't that like stupid easy? I swear that was all I did. Literally, it's like a little Mickey Mouse bun. It's so cute. Isn't it, Phoenix? This is my kitty cat. Yeah. But yeah, super easy. I mean, I could definitely do this hairstyle with my regular hair. It's just not gonna look as like big and like stand out, you know? Literally maybe took me 1 minute to do. Like, it's that easy. I promise. So go ahead and try it. I'm going to try to think of like a hashtag for this bun so you can tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this tutorial and found it helpful. I'm going to do like a 360 view so you guys can see what it looks like. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.